beautiful people, today I have the Ipsy Boxycharm for the month of July. I know, this is late as can be. Usually I get my PR way at the beginning of the month, kind of like that first week or even the last week of the previous month. So that way us creators can get that information out to you guys and you guys can kind of get a sneak peek of what's coming, thoughts, etc. But this month, I don't know what's going on. It came at the end. So this is going to be a quick unboxing. I'm going to have little try-ons here to the side. There was only one product that I didn't try. I kind of did a poll on my Instagram. If you guys ain't following me, my link is down below. But it was like 50-50. Like half of the people wanted to try on like a separate try on and half wanted a just quick try, like a quick unboxing. So we're doing both in one. And the try on will be here to the side. So here this month for July, it's Hot Glow Summer. And that's basically the theme. But let's go ahead and get into the products. First off, we have the Innisfree Hyaluronic Hydrate serum, and this is really nice. It's a very thin kind of consistency. It adds hydration without being overly oily, which I really enjoy. It's just for like daily hydration. It has green tea and it's supposed to help balance and strengthen your skin barrier. Right now I have been like breaking out. I don't know if this is perimenopause. I have never gotten cystic acne before, but I have two right here. Let me know if that's a thing, but it's a nice little bottle. I do like the fact that it comes with a little stopper so you can take this in and out, which is really nice if you're somebody who travels. I love to travel a few times a year, so this is really handy, like if you're gonna take it with you in your makeup bag. That way, no matter what presses against it, it is not going to spill out. Next we have from the Drunk Elephant, we have the Be Goldie Bright Drops. This is to fortify and glisten. It has 5% niacinamide, which I really enjoy because I am a dry skin girly, and that is supposed to help with what's it called, like with hydration. It says it has also some type of gallic acid and leaf extract to help hyperpigmentation, which I am all about. Dark spots. It also is supposed to help with post breakout marks, so I'm hoping that it'll help with this whole jazz that I have going on. And it also has like a shimmer to it. You guys will see it in the try on portion. It's like a gold shimmer to it, and I do like this. I'm not sure how much this costs. I'm pretty sure it's pricey because it is Drunk Elephant, but this is kind of like one of those shimmer primers. It has like more like pearls than glitter. I can even see it in my hand right now from when I applied it to my skin. But I love mixing this type of product underneath my foundation or with my foundation, just because I do like that glowy aspect to the skin. As I get older and my skin is dry, I just kind of like that youthful glow appearance to the skin. So I'm happy about that. Next we have something that I didn't try just because I have way too many lip products right now, especially this lip mask, and Toy Factory isn't exactly like a brand that I gravitate to a lot. This is made in China and it's supposed to be a watermelon lip mask. That's what it looks like. And I just kind of kept it in place so I can send it to my niece, but I'm pretty sure that it's kind of like that same kind of concept of a lip mask where it's like very hydrating on the lips. I am constantly rotating and I have quite a few that I've taken out of the pots. So I just have like way too many. And when I say I have just way too many, I have like three things of this full of lip products. So I just decided to skip on keeping this one. Next we have something from REM, which I was super excited. I want to say I tried their concealer and wasn't like, I had a bad experience from it. I want to say I have a review on that. It was one of those pot concealers. I feel like everybody and their mother was like, oh my god, this is wonderful, and it just did not work for me. I think I have way too much texture underneath my eyes, and it just was not my cup of tea. But this is absolutely beautiful. This is called Fembot, and it is a liquid eyeshadow, and it's kind of like a sheer one, so you want to have something on your eye already, or use this kind of like as a topper, because that's what it is. It's like one of these pretty glitter toppers. It has like this, I don't know why I always say that, this bluish purple pink kind of vibe to it. It has like that duochrome vibe, and I'm excited to test this out. I was gonna test it out today, but I went more with like an orangey look, and so it kind of just didn't match the vibe. And then the last product in here is the Beauty Bybel, and this is Carly Bybel's new brand. This is called the OG palette. I do really like the aesthetic, like this purpley, bluey purple kind of packaging to it. I have to say I was a little let down with the color story. I do understand, like, when you're starting a brand, you want like the basics. So I do understand her going with like neutrals, basically. She did pop in a pinky purple here in the middle, because I feel like that's something that she was always known for, was like a lot of pinks and purples and that type of jam. But this palette kind of is just okay. Like, it did wear off. I really had to build up, and I'll have the try on here to the side. I really had to build up the shimmer in here. They're very, very sheer, very soft mattes that you have to build up. It's not something like overly pigmented in your face. I feel like this is something nice for like a teenager, or like my mom, who likes just like a little wash of color. If you're somebody who like loves makeup like I do, and like likes it to like pop and pigments and stuff like that. I mean, I have my moments where I like softer looks, but I want products that are really up there, and I feel like this I don't know, I just felt a little let down by the sheerness of it, to be honest. And I still have, let me show you guys, I still have her Carly Bybel Anastasia collection. This palette was everything to me. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. The purples, the blues in here, even the glitters in here, these just pop on your eyes. Every time I wear this, like, I get nice compliments. And I have decluttered so much in my collection, and this one through and through, like, I cannot declutter because I love the colors that much. And I guess I was also kind of expecting like this type of vibe from it, like a bam in your face type of vibe from her palette. And like I said, I do understand, like, when you're starting a new brand, and I feel like I've seen this a lot from a lot of creators, I feel like for the most part, most of them go on the safe side of very like neutral, very colors that anyone can use kind of thing. So I do understand the concept behind it. It's just like, I feel like I was missing something there. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna give it another go, and if not, I'm probably gonna give this to my mom or my niece. But that is everything that came in this month's box. To be honest, I feel like it's a nice box. I'm happy with the Innisfree, which is a great brand, the Drunk Elephant, the REM, the Toy Factory. I'm like, yeah, that was kind of like win or lose kind of thing. And then the palettes, you guys already heard my thoughts. And I wasn't as impressed as I thought I was gonna be. But let me know your thoughts down below. Sorry that this is super late. That was kind of like out of my hands. I do or have been subscribed to the Ipsy glam bag, so I have been doing that as well on my socials. So definitely check me out on my other socials if you guys want to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. I appreciate everybody who subscribes, who watches. There's moments that I just want to quit, but you guys keep me going. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.